And friends, today I'm going to elaborate a different concept regarding searching of literature and searching of books or reading material required for the study of chemistry or in the research. Before the research, you have to make the literature survey of the published work. So for that, or if you have to give any competitive exams like UPSC, MPSC, NET, SET after MSc, GATE exam, or GRE TOEFL exam of foreign universities, you have to refer some material on the Google, on the net. And what are the famous sites in India that are made by the government of India free for all students of all universities? That today I will elaborate, I will explain. So first site for Google searching is NPTEL. You have to just type the NPTEL on the Google. NPTEL practical chemistry, practical books, then NPTEL login is there. You can register on that, and theory material is also there. Just click on the NPTEL. The government has made the portal for the online books and literature, and the courses also available online. You can complete that. Internships are there also for the undergraduate students as well as the postgraduate students. Certification processes are there. So that is the NPTEL source. On the NPTEL you can get the PDF of the materials different regarding different science subjects. Another site is there, Swayam portal is there, that is made by the government of India, free and open for faculties, teachers, professors, as well as the students. You can register on the Swayam Central, that is the site that is uploading now. That after registering on this site, you can acquire your skills, you can complete your projects, you can complete your courses related to basic sciences, not only in the chemistry but different basic science subjects. You can complete the online course and you will get the online certificates that are authentic by MHRD, Minister of Human Resource Department, as well as the Minister of Education of India. So that is the Swayam portal on which you can register, and you will get the different courses per year, and you can register for that courses. Online course materials are there, online videos are there, online exams are conducted by that Swayam portal agency that comes under the IITs and IISc, ISERs, the Indian Institute of Science Education Research, and IITs conduct these courses. Then if you are PG student and if you have to do research, if you have to do research, then you can search the materials on the Scopus related to paper, research papers. Scopus is the site that is authentic site of the all journals, research journals worldwide that are available on the Scopus site. Scopus is authentic and accepted site by Royal Societies, American societies, all our international research agencies that are the Science Direct sites. And Scopus material are the standard materials. Here you can search the authors. Here you can search the resources of the papers, journals. Authors means the researchers. Suppose you have to search any author, you have to type its surname first. Let's see with my example. I am Sawant, Dr. Sawant, and my initials are VG. So type on the Scopus with the name and the surname of that author and search the question. If you have to search the material or journal, you can search here. So here you will get the related named authors here. So here I am there on the Scopus. On my profile, if you click, you will get the my research papers whatever published under the Scopus standard international journals. The total data for me is available here on the Scopus. So here you can see my citations and my research profile here. My papers are available here. From that you can directly go to my journal papers. Here are my papers are shown here on the Scopus site, standard journal sites. So that is the one of the source from which you can search the materials related to the research. papers, the research materials, literature. Before doing research in laboratory, you can search on the Scopus. Variety of the journals are there on the Scopus. The author data are there and research material data are available. And Google Scholar site is there. If you just type the name of the author, let us see with my example, Google Scholar. Google Scholar provides the research material already published by the uh, scientist or the researcher or the professor. That total papers appears on the Google Scholar, whatever from his career. Let's see my example. Whatever my total papers that are available on the Google Scholar, and from here you can directly go to that papers and that journals in which that papers are published. Suppose here I will click on my first paper with highest citations published in the Netherlands journal, that is the Journal of Magnetism and Magnetic Materials. I have published a paper on the zinc ferrite and cobalt ferrite nanoparticles with loaded drug for anti-cancer activity. So from here directly you can go towards the paper site in the journal, online journal. So click on that paper link, you will get after some time you will get that link. Here the paper is published here in the Journal of Magnetism and Magnetic Materials from the Scopus elsewhere Netherlands country. And here you will get the data of that paper, the abstract, highlights and total material we appear here. The PDF you can download from here, but that now that are paid here because some journal requires the dollar amounts to see open the paper. But if you have not money in dollars or not available that money, directly you can copy the date of intention of that paper, and you have to go and journal open access site that is known as the Sci-Hub. So if you type Sci-Hub on the Google, you will get Sci-Hub link. Sci-Hub link provides open access to the papers. If that papers are paid, here you have to type the date of intention. Just I have copied from my Google Scholar link of the paper, typed here, and you have to click on the open on the Sci-Hub. The paper will open here in this way. So you will get the open access here. Crow is opening key for the paper, so you will get the open access of the PDF of papers whatever you want in the research. It is a slow process for the Sci-Hub because it is non-paid site. Okay, so if we require some softwares to draw the molecular structures in the research or in the typing or publishing any material, so you have make download of the softwares. Here ECSTO software is there for the chemical structure drawing, and related ChemDraw software is also available. So means by use of this Google free technologies and some paid technologies, you can search literature, you can read the books online, you can get the materials already published, and you can make addition in the knowledge, and you can do your research or whatever your further competitive exams. So Google is your friend.